Excuse me. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig video. Yeah, so today I got another wig from Alipearl hair. Let me tell you some info about it. Let me show you guys as well. So it's a chocolate brown wig. Yeah, that's what we've been waiting for. I did bleach the knots. I think I did go wrong. Yeah, I bleached the knots, yeah, but I left the bleach on for too long. So I don't know if you can tell. I put some powder on it because I was like, I'm not about to go to the shop and buy something that could dye or something. It's just long. So I just tried to cover it up with the powder, but I'm hoping that when I put it on, like, it won't really make a difference. So it should be alright. I did try to pluck it as well. But yeah, we'll see how that looks. It is a 13x4 HD lace and it is 22 inches and the texture is straight. It's straight, isn't it? Anyways, in the box, let me show you guys what's in the box. The eyelashes, again, a lovely band for the hair, wig cap, and a bag to put the hair in, lovely bright bag, and the edge control brush. So yeah, that's that. The wig cap on, just so I can get this little twisty something out of the way. Put it there. I'll just put this back. I don't really mind. That's fine. Kind of big, so I mean that happens. If you have it, I got a small head. I don't know what I was thinking getting medium caps. I just thought it would be too tight if I got small, so I guess that's right. Well, I put the clips in place, I think. This, I want it to go over my hairline. Cool, so I will start by cutting off like these parts. Alright, so where the netting ends, and I want my ear to, you know, I'm gonna see. Okay, cool. I want to keep some of these to do a little swoop, so I'm gonna cut there and up. Off. That's a lot of hair. Let's cut. I'll do it in sections so it's easier.
This is for you, my number one. This is for you, my number one. This is for you, my number one. Spotlight, big stage, 50,000 fans screaming it away. Bodyguards and limousines. This is the way I see you in my dreams. Paparazzi flash, 100 pictures all of you hanging on my bedroom wall. I'm a kid again, feel like 13, but I mean, since we fell in love, felt like me. I ain't got baby. Oh, you are my sunshine.
So I'm gonna put the wax stick on here on the other flyaways. And then we are going to go in with the hot comb and see if that makes a difference.
This is a metaphor to show how I adore you, baby.
I just wish I paid attention whilst I was bleaching the knots. Like, other than that, yeah, like, I love the colour. It's cute, okay? It's cute. You can work with it. You can work with it for real. But yeah. Should I bump the ends? I don't even know if I should. Like, well, that's cute. Ooh, this is so recording. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but I feel like this is really cute. The little, it's cute. I like it. Okay. Ooh. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you, Alipearl hair, for sending me this beautiful chocolate brown wig. Okay, I'm sorry about the knots, but you know, we knew. It's still cute. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below if you're feeling it. And yeah, this one looks more bouncy and cute than this one.